Hi, in this video we are going to implement const keyword in JavaScript. Now const keyword, it is a similar of a let keyword, but in a let keyword we can modify the variable's value, but when we are used const keyword, then its variable value we cannot modify. Now first I print out number. I run this file. Now number is hello is value is hello es6. Now I want to change its value. JS. Now I run this file again. It will be throw error. So when we use here, what say here, assignment to constant variable. So the number before it is not allowed. So when we use const keyword with the variable, then we cannot modify its value.